What's up guys, this is Manuel. Today we're gonna do the oil change with the annual protection Mobil one. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, this is what I got for the oil change. I got the oil pan, oil container, this one. I got this one to remove the filter. I might use it, I might not, I don't know. It depends how tight the oil filter it is, alright? This is the new oil filter. Okay, and this is the oil, okay? I got the 0W20. They said this one will last for around 20,000 miles, but I might not leave it for 20,000 miles. I might change it around 15,000 miles, alright? Because I don't want any problem on my car. But I saw other videos and they said this one works pretty good, so I'm gonna leave it for 15,000 miles. I might make another video removing the oil to see how it looks, alright? But this one is gonna be around almost a year. Alright, so this is all I got. All the links are gonna be on the description of the video with the prices and everything, alright? So let's do the oil change. Before you remove the plug for the oil, remove this cap. Okay, open this cap. Okay, for this one it's very easy to do the oil change. You can see the filter is there and the plug is right there, the oil pan. Alright, so I'm gonna remove the plug first, drain all the oil, then the oil filter after that, alright? Alright, I already added 4 quarts of oil, so I'm gonna turn on the engine and see the level, and if it needs more, I'm gonna add more. right? So let's do that. So now the level is right there, so it's good. Alright guys, so now the oil change is finished. I added 4 quarts and 1/4, okay? So that's the amount I put on of the oil to the car, alright? I don't know, let's take it for a ride and let's feel the difference. Maybe it's gonna be hard to show on the video, but let's see it. I didn't use this one, but sometimes the filter is super tight and hard to remove, so you will need this one, okay? But for the 2014 Corolla, you need a different tool, okay? Because that one is a filter that goes inside has a cover, and you have to remove the filter. So I'm gonna put the link for that one too on the description of the video. You have a 2014 Corolla, all right? So let's do a test ride. All right, guys, the engine already, when I started, it feels more smooth because it's new oil. But remember, when you put this oil, because it's gonna be on the engine longer, check the oil level like around twice every month. If you can more, it's okay, but if you do at least twice to check the levels of the oil, that's good, because the engine is gonna burn a little bit of oil, so you don't want the oil to be too low, all right? So remember to check the levels twice every month. All right, so let's do a test drive. All right, guys, to reset the maintenance required, you have to go to the settings. You have here this one, settings, and then go to the maintenance, schedule maintenance. Click enter with this button, with this one. Click enter. And then it's gonna say reset data. Click yes, and then click enter, and it says the data has been reset. Okay, that's to reset the maintenance required for the 2017 till 2019 Corolla. And now says no messages, no more maintenance required. All right. Feels more smooth now. The engine feels smoother because it has a new oil, so that's good. But it's almost the same. All right. Okay, where are you going? Oh, there's a dog over there. Okay. All right. My car already has 31,000 miles. All right. Let me know how many miles you got on your Corolla. All right. Put in the comments. All right. So let's do 0 to 60. Well, this is 10 to 60. This one was faster, but it's not 0 to 60. It's like 10 to 60. Okay, guys, that's the annual protection oil. This is a synthetic oil. They say they will last 20,000 miles, but I'm only gonna leave it for around 15,000 miles. All right, maybe a little bit more. Let me know which oil do you like the most. Okay, put it in the comments. Let me know what you think about this oil, and let me know how many miles do you have on your Corolla or your car. All right, I wanna know. All right, so if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. My car already needs new tires, so I'm gonna get new tires. I'm gonna make the video for that. All right, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. All right, see you on the next video.